In this video, I'm going to show you how to change page color in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. This is a simple way to make your document look more personalized, improve readability, or match a presentation, report, or school project. If you've ever wondered where the page color setting is hiding, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go ahead and open the document you want to edit. You can use a new blank document or an existing file, whichever you prefer. The page color feature works the same way either way. Now look at the top of Word and click on the Design tab. This is where you'll find the tools for changing the appearance of your page. In the Design section, you should see an option called Page Color. Click on that and Word will open a color palette with different choices. From here, you can select any color you want from the palette. If you want something subtle and professional, you might choose a light gray, cream, or pale blue. If you want a more creative or bold look, you can pick a stronger color. As soon as you click a color, Word will apply it to the page immediately, so you can see the change right away. If you don't like the first color you chose, no problem. Just click Page Color again and pick a different one. You can keep experimenting until you find a look that fits your document best. This is especially useful if you're creating flyers, study guides, digital notes, or any document where visual style matters. And if you ever want to remove the page color completely and return to a plain white background, just go back to Design, click Page Color, and choose No Color. That will remove the background color from your page and bring it back to the default look. One thing to keep in mind is that page color may look different depending on whether you're viewing the document on screen or printing it out. So if you plan to print your document, it's a good idea to preview it first and make sure the color works well for your needs. So just to recap, open Microsoft Word, open your document, go to the Design tab, click Page Color, and choose a color from the palette. That's all it takes to change the page color in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.